Welcome to today's Research Business Daily Report with a report concerning the percentage of businesses that are not doing market research. What would you guess it is? And we'll tell you. Then why 100% viewability of online advertising is just not worth the cost. And also why approximately 50% viewability of an online campaign, well, maybe that makes the best sense of all. RBDR is sponsored today and this week by QOasis, a self-service marketing research solution designed for market research professionals. It is the only platform that delivers industrial strength, easy-to-use, unrestricted survey building blocks and at no cost to its users. And is powered by the 22-year industry expertise of Socratic Technologies. We've told you before about QOasis, and there is a new element that's being added to this great new service, and we'll talk to you about it in some detail at the end of today's RBDR. If there ever was proof that market research is not fully understood and not appreciated, one need not look much further than a new survey from Attest Research. This survey is complete with percentages that pass along a worrisome story about the perceived value of research in the business world. Take, for instance, the 26% of businesses that say they do not conduct any market research at all before they launch a new product or service. And then there's the 35% that claim market research is irrelevant to their business, along with the 21% that write off research as unaffordable. There's more data that I believe paints even a bleaker picture. 16% say market research is too time-consuming. 13% see no need for research because, well, there are no local competitors. And 11% say their business is performing well, thank you very much, without it. You have to wonder about those numbers and why market research is so poorly perceived, since 75% of the respondents in this survey admitted they do not understand their audience. 62% describe their target customers as disengaged, transient, and too fickle. Clearly, new market research technologies and consumer insights are unlocking many new pieces of relevance to many companies, but there's a long way until those companies can use the power of research regularly. That came from Attest CEO Jeremy King in talking about the results of this particular study. Additionally, with new and efficient forms of research, he says assessing new audiences can become very relevant to any company, and all organizations will be able to use the power of insights that were previously reserved only for the largest companies. Moving on, according to Keith Pieper, VP of Technology at IMM, there is a lot of needless chatter about 100% viewability and as the standard for online media buying. He says, quote, if you're a programmatic media buyer measuring ROI on advertising spend, you should adjust your target to sub 50% viewability. He said so on marketingland.com. Pieper based that comment on IMM's intense multi-year data study and 6 iterative market tests. Although only directional, he admitted, given marketplace fluctuations was the reason why. Pieper said that measuring ROI by online sales revenue and LTV minus the cost of media makes no sense, therefore, to really obsess about 100% viewability. IMM has concluded that the value of viewability is subjective and will depend on numerous factors for each campaign. In other words, there is no one-size-fits-all outcome. Thus, marketers should benchmark their own advertising to determine the importance of viewability to their campaign, and then continually test and evolve as market conditions and technologies change. That's your Research Business Daily Report. We've been sponsored by QOasis, a self-service marketing research solution designed specifically for market research professionals. It's the only platform that delivers industrial strength, easy-to-use, unrestricted survey building blocks, and it is made available to you for no cost. It's also powered by the 22-year industry expertise at Socratic Technologies. QOasis is a substantive step up in do-it-yourself research. And QOasis users so far have been extremely complimentary about what they can accomplish on their own using QOasis. And some of the reasons include the fact that QOasis will automatically optimize your survey for desktop, tablet, or mobile devices, whichever you are sending it to, or if you're sending it to all three, which is very likely. In a few weeks' time, QOasis says it will become even more useful when it introduces a sample management functionality, which will enable automatic targeting balanced by descriptive variables that you'll be able to plug into the system. You can set target proportions, number of days in the field, and even schedule your invitations to be sent out in a balanced manner. The URL that you see on the screen to my right will take you to the QOasis homepage. Believe me, it is worth taking a good and long, serious look at, and even giving a whirl. We hope you have a great research day, and we'll look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow.